Managing multiple social media or e-commerce accounts on a single device can be a nightmare. You constantly risk getting accounts banned, losing access, or spending hours manually switching between profiles. For marketers, freelancers, and teams, these challenges aren't just frustrating, they're costly. Introducing Galagen, the ultimate anti-detect browser built to eliminate all these headaches. With Galagen, every account you manage gets a unique digital fingerprint, making it appear as if each account belongs to a different device, location, and user. No bans. No suspicious logins. Just seamless, safe access to all your accounts. Imagine logging into Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, eBay, Amazon, Gmail, TikTok, or any other platform on one device without triggering security check. Galagen even lets you share account access securely with team members across the world, so collaboration has never been easier. But it doesn't stop there. Galagen comes with built-in proxies, supporting residential and mobile IPs in over 100 countries, high-performance APIs handling up to 1,200 requests per minute, and bulk account management, create, rename, delete, or edit profiles in seconds. It's like having a virtual machine, but faster, cheaper, and optimized for performance just like Chrome. Your accounts stay secure with AES 256 encryption, firewalls, and AWS Google Cloud hosting, while Galagen's drag-and-drop interface keeps everything fast and intuitive. Whether you're automating dropshipping, managing multiple ad campaigns, scraping websites, or running social media accounts at scale, Galagen ensures efficiency, reliability, and peace of mind. Thousands of professionals already trust Galagen to protect their accounts, prevent bans, and save hours every week. Missing out means risking account suspension, lost revenue, and wasted time, while your competitors are moving faster and safer. Take control of your online business operations today. Secure, scale, and streamline your multi-account management with Galagen, your ultimate browser solution.